Hello everyone, this is Jason McComb from Oregon Tech in Wilsonville, and this is my projectile motion project for Engineering 267. I'm just going to show you the functionality of this program. So over to the left here we have inputs that you can give for your projectile that you want to do, and to the right here we have boxes that will display output data for that projectile, the distance traveled, max height, and max height along the path. So I'm just going to input initial velocity and initial angle. Let's do 53 degrees. Launches the projectile. And we also have a range of angles from 0 to in 15 degree increments of 0 to 90, or 0 to 75 rather. And then over to the right here, output data is displayed. We also have a clear button, so you can clear the axes. And we can do initial height. Let's do 100. Launch. Does the same thing, but you're 100 meters higher. And then you can also do an initial displacement along the x-axis. Let's just do 20 and set this back to 0. It looks kind of strange. Launch it from midair. And there you have it. I've cleared the variables. And that's my project. Thanks.